The announcement was first made by Minister with responsibility for housing Valerie Adams Patterson and was later repeated by her senior minister Ronald Bolkan. Hundreds of acres of prime land were allegedly sold to private developers, especially those who had close ties to the then PPP administration. Minister Bolkan said the coalition is disappointed over the lack of progress made since the plots were sold.
The disappointment at the level of the administration has been addressed. The advice of the Attorney General's chambers has been sought to see what efforts towards repossessing of a number of those areas, if it may be necessary, if continued engagements and discussions with those developers does not suggest that their ability to complete the infrastructural works and the housing units that they had committed to under the agreement of sales.
This move, as explained by both ministers, is to help address congestion in the city. And as previously reported by Minister Adams Patterson, there is a dire scarcity of housing lands in Region 4.
It is an issue that is of significant concerns to the administration. So the lethargy and the sluggishness and the malaise that the finance minister referred to in his budget speech in relation to delivery of the PSIP and of government agencies, in this instance, was not confined only to governmental agencies, but it is clear that the commitments that were given by a number of those private developers to develop new housing areas and the allocations that they would have received, that there is very little progress.
The minister had also pointed out that citizens cannot be denied proper housing because of the greed of a few.
It is an issue of deep concern, and it is being addressed by the Ch&Pa and the administration.
Royden James, HGP Nightly News.